In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're looking to share your thoughts with the world or establish an online presence for your business, creating a blog is a fantastic way to connect with others and express yourself. Let's dive into the process and get your blog up and running. First, you'll want to log into your admin page. Once you're logged in, navigate to the website list. This is where you'll see all the websites that are associated with your account. It's an essential step, as this is your gateway to managing and editing your site's content. Once you've reached the website list, click on the option to edit your website. This will take you to the website editor, a powerful tool where you can customize everything to align with your vision. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options available, as this will make the editing process more intuitive. Now that you're in the website editor, look for the More section. It can sometimes feel a bit hidden, but it's usually up in the menus. Clicking on this will expand a list of additional features that may not be immediately visible. It's sort of like delving deeper into the functionalities of your website's design. Within this expanded list, you'll see the option for Blog. Click on it. This section is specifically tailored for creating and managing blog content. It's like entering the writer's studio of your website, where all the magic of blogging happens. Next, you'll want to click on Start a Blog. This step is crucial as it's the foundation upon which your blog will be built. Hostinger offers you ready-made blog post templates. These are pre-designed, which means you have a head start with layout and styling. Feel free to edit these templates to match your unique ideas and creativity. If you prefer starting from scratch, you can always simply click on Add New Post. This gives you a blank canvas. It's like opening a fresh page in your diary, full of possibilities. Once you have created or chosen a post to work on, you'll notice 3 little dots. Clicking on these dots will typically present an editing option. Select Edit Post to dive into customizing it further. This is where you can pour in your personality, experiences, and expertise through words. In this example, let's say we decide to edit our blog post title. You can do that easily by clicking the Mode Edit option. It's a simple yet powerful feature that lets you make instant changes. After you've made the necessary edits, such as renaming your post, don't forget to save your work. Click on Save to ensure your efforts are recorded. Congratulations, you've successfully added a blog post to your site. It's as simple as that, and now you're all set to share your stories with the world. Happy blogging!